other sounds we've been working on. AW and AU make the same sound. Like when you see a baby, you say, "Aw." When you see a baby, you say, "Aw." AW, "Aw, aw, 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 aw." AU says, "Aw, aw, 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 aw." Now the sound for OU and OW, the one that we're using, it's like when you get a pinch, you say, "Ow." When you get a pinch, you say, "Ow." OU says, "Ow, ow, 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 ow." OW says, "Ow, ow, 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 ow." OI and OY make the same sound. They say, "Oi." OI and OY make the same sound. They say, "Oi." OI says, "Oi, oi, 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 oi." OY says, "Oi, oi, 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 oi." OI like oil, boil, toil. OY, boy, toy, coy. OO has two sounds. It goes either like when someone drops the beads, everyone says ooh, or sometimes it sounds like a short U sound. Depends on the word. All right, here are our beginning blends. Bl, bl, cl, cl, fl, fl, gl, gl, pl, pl, sol, sol, brr, brr, quir, quir, dr, dr, fur, fur, grr, grr. Sorry about that. Purr, purr, trr, trr. Go over to these sounds. Sk. Same as this. Sk. Same as this. Sk. Same as this. Sk. Going down. Sm. Sm. Next one. Sn. Sn. Next one. Sp. Sp. Next one. St. St. Swa. Swa. Last one. Twa.